taking you to one of the most popular hill stations in Pakistan, to Murree. It's quite close to the capital city of Islamabad, and today the day is just like we have in Scotland. It's bright and sunny with cold wind. It's beautiful, and we're on our way to Murree. We stopped by to have a cup of tea. As you can see, we really need it. So let's check out the way to Murree, and I'll see you in Murree then. अच्छा पापा, ये जो चिलगोजे हैं ये क्या दाम है?
ये 7,000 किलो है।
अगर ये 7,000 रुपए किलो है तो एक चिलगोजे की क्या कीमत बनती है?
भाई एक चिलगोजे की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू, ये तो वही वाले चिलगोजे हो गए।
बिल्कुल वही वाले चिलगोजे।
इसका ये स्टाइल है, जब गुस्से में हो तो उसको इस तरह पहना जाता है, जब आप खुशगवार मूड में तो इसका स्टाइल ये होता है, इस तरह पहनी जाती है।
What I have in my hand is a native traditional hat of Murree, and the guy just told me that if you wear it like this, it means that you are not so happy and you're in an angry mood, while when you wear it like this, it means that you're happy. So I'm happy, I'm buying this. We had a long walk on the mall, which is popularly known as the Mall Road in Pakistan. We went to several shops, did some exclusive shopping like this hat, traditional hat, and bought some dry fruit. And now we've booked this exclusive ride, and we're going to Pindi Point. So see you there.
Farah, I remember coming here as a little girl. Do you have any childhood memories attached to this place?
Of course, as you just said, Anila, that you came here as a little child. Same here. Murree, as I said, is one of the most popular and one of the oldest tourist spots in Pakistan. And many people from the south region come here to spend summers in Murree, and it's beautiful. It's got beautiful mountains, cool breeze, lovely weather in summer. So yes, it's bringing back a lot of childhood memories. There are so many places that I can relate to. I've been here so many times, looking at the churches, the schools, the mall itself. There are some shops that are intact the way they were back in the 70s and the 80s. However, there again has been a lot of development here too, and I see lots of new restaurants and places to eat. So where it feels really good and nice to see so much of development, at the same time the originality or the rustic, the feel of Murree. In some places I'm missing that as well.
Ma Farah, this ride is reminding me of Scotland. We are almost 7,500 feet altitude at the moment. The weather, the terrain, it's cold, it's windy. We're surrounded by the mountains, and deep down in the valley, we see all these beautiful, brightly colored houses. And
it does remind us a little bit of Highlands.
Highlands, yes.
Though Highlands are greener, much greener.
Yeah.
But yes, it just sort of, reminds us of our journey.
Of our adopted home, Scotland.
Yes. We are here at the Pindi Point. We have cable cars in the background, through which we can actually take panoramic views of Hazara Mountains and Islamabad and Rawalpindi city. This was built with the assistance of France. The cable cars actually take you 3 kilometers down to Bansar Gully. While we look at the Hazara Mountains, the chairlift the cable car actually takes us to beautiful picnic spots and parks. Holy Holy Trinity Church was built by the British in 1875. In 1997, when Queen Elizabeth came to Pakistan, she visited this church and took part in the prayer service. Behind me is Lintots. This is one of the oldest restaurants on the mall in Murree. Lintots is famous about the fact that, Quaid-e-Azam, the founder of this nation, had dinner here. Many notable politicians also came here to dine, to have coffee. And for old time's sake, we will definitely have coffee here. As a little girl, I remember that when I came to Lintots with my parents, I learned the first time how filming was done, because I saw many notable famous film stars having food here, and then just right in front of Lintots, they were filming some old Urdu film, and I was so excited to see film stars like Zeba and Muhammad Ali here. So Lintots brings back many nice memories. Such an old restaurant. It's
Almost 115 years old,
yes,
Mapara.
yes. And what I like about this restaurant is that I came here, I think I was around 6 years old or 7 years old when I first came here, and the chairs are still the same. So that's what I can, that's what I remember, and I like it, that they've retained the furniture, and it gives quite,
Very nostalgic.
very
isn't it?
nostalgic and very similar feeling to
Absolutely. When you were here all those decades ago.
yeah.
Mapara, I love coming to Murree whenever I'm visiting Pakistan for two reasons. One, there's a lot of childhood memories attached to
Yes,
this place.
That's right.
And secondly, this place gives me a lot of, Scottish ambience, the colonial era time
Yes, that's
buildings,
right.
and even, some of the restaurants. What about you?
Well, the architecture is very
Similar?
it reminds me of buildings in Scotland and England. Because Murree was just a town which was built in 1800. Most of the things started developing in 1840 onwards, and it was all built by the British. So obviously, this place gives us a very British feeling, and we can relate to both places. They are both homes to us. Like, for example, as we sit in Lintots, and I'm talking about the furniture, just across Lintots is the Holy Trinity Church, which was built in 1875. So, and again, Lintots, I'm saying it again and again because it's one of the central and really oldest restaurants of Murree on the mall.
And I'm just thinking, if it's 115 years old, then obviously a lot of British people who lived in Murree at that point in time must have wined and dined in Lintots.
Definitely. It was also this this bit where we are sitting right now is I've checked, with some of the old staff here that this was built. This section was built initially, and then later on they extended it the back. So they've tried to retain the way it was, which is again very relatable, because when we are in Scotland we like to go and we go to these old hotels and restaurants
Cafes and restaurants,
which are as old as Lintots, and they have also preserved it, and Lintots is quite nicely preserved. It's neat, clean. The crockery is almost the same,
Yes.
as I recall.
Yeah.
So which is why it gives us such a nostalgic feeling. The General Post Office is another British era building, and I wonder how many hundreds and thousands of letters were received and dispatched from this post office to Britain Those were written by the several military officers and the British government officers who lived here in Murree. Anila, do these buggies remind you of something? I mean, just look at them, look at the shape. Does it remind you of something?
Yes, Mahapara, it does, of my childhood. Actually, it reminds me of the Victorian era prams.
Exactly. Yes, we all grew up using, buggies. But these ones have particular shape and style. And I was just thinking that this is just another interesting feature that we have seen on the mall.
Yeah. So the British didn't just leave buildings and garrisons and restaurants behind. This is a remnant of their lifestyle as well.
Yeah.
Interesting thing is, Mahapara, these guys who are pushing, these prams, they're calling them bacha gadis, child car.
Yes.
Let's relive our childhood. Let's take a ride
Oh,
in
no.
the bacha gadi, the pram.
We're not bachas though, we're not children.
Well, everyone, all adults, they have a child inside there. So let's, go for a ride in the bacha gadi.
Let's try. I hope it doesn't break.
Guys, we are on our way to Ayubia and we just spotted this snow art on our way. So we thought we'd stop and have a look and let you guys see this beautiful work of snow art.
We took a 40-minute drive from Murree to Ayubia National Park. We came to see the Moto Tunnel, which is a 129-year-old British-era structure. This architectural marvel was rediscovered recently. The tunnel is 250 feet long, 6 feet high and 4 feet wide. It is carved out of stones and clay. We actually tried to take you through the tunnel ourselves, but because the road is very icy, we chickened out. However, Shamshad, our video editor, is a thrill seeker and he said that he will get some footage of the tunnel. We had a lovely time in Murree. Enjoyed a lot, Anila.
We did.
But it was a very long day indeed. It gets very cold at night these days, so we thought of stopping by having a warm cup of tea while heading home.
Hope you enjoyed this wee trip to Murree with us. And if you did, please subscribe to Scoristani's YouTube channel. And when you get a chance, do comment, like and share.